It's on.
Hey, Mom, I'm so 24. I want to try and start things to see if we can play volleyball earlier.
Vicky, on.
It's recording?
Yes.
Oh, God. It's cold! And guess what? I said 14 yesterday. Oh, my gosh, my first day as a 14-year-old.
No, yesterday was your first day as a 14-year-old.
That was half. Good job! We got 2 feathers. I told.
Yeah, but the first grade have 37.
0 feathers.
Ooh. Camera.
Actually, it's recording. It's 837 something. Hi! 8374.
Switch you.
Yeah, I know, but is it yourself? You can call me.
Hi.
New technology. Ooh. Can you see my eye? Hi. My face. I'm Ashley. I like bouncy, 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 bouncy. Okay, you can record someone else.
There goes your chicken.
I'm Ashley.
You said that already.
Matt.
Oh.
This is Victoria. No.
She's acting stupid. She's acting
Balbo.
stupid.
Oh my God. Here comes the single. I'm single. Here. This is Brianna. Oh my God. She's also single. This is Gabby. She's not single. I'm single.
I am Austin as your man.
Oh yeah. You didn't know that? No, not about that. I need to tell you something. Okay, how do you post? No. How do you post everything on YouTube? Like, what's the name of it?
I'm not done yet. I'm editing it today when I get to my mom's house.
Nicole wants to ask Austin out. Wants to? She already did? Wait, wants to?
I just recorded that, you know that, right?
She told me. Yeah, because she emailed me. She emailed me yesterday saying, "Oh, you're gonna break up with us." I said, "Oh, I want to be there. I got you back." Wait, no. You like him. He told me. And then a minute later, oh my God, I think that was awesome. Really? No! Oh, I swear though. I can't believe he got suspended. What a dork.
I almost got suspended.
I can actually make a noise about it. Are you recording this?
Yeah.
Oh God, how hard is it?
5, 4, 3.